Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about this delicious recipe for burgers, with a hearty beef patty, and some crunchy fries on the side. This is a simple and incredibly tasty recipe, that doesn't require a lot of ingredients. Depending on your liking, you can adjust them as well. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Firstly, season some ground beef with salt and pepper, and a bunch of other spices you'd like cayenne pepper for example. Then add in some parsley, some breadcrumbs, as well as 1 egg. Chop up some garlic cloves and onions and mix everything together. Cover it and let it cool down in the fridge for a bit. Afterwards, heat up some sunflower or olive oil in a pan. Shape the ground beef mixture with a circular mold and drop them into the pan at medium heat. While the beef patties are cooking and sizzling, caramelize some sliced up onions in a different pan with some sugar as shown. Now it's time to add a slice of cheese on top of the patties, and to then cover the pan with a lid. Also prepare some fries in the fryer on the side to now serve alongside the burger as shown. Toast the burger buns in a toaster beforehand, or prepare some on your own. Check the linked video down below to find out how to prepare some fluffy and delicious bread buns at home to use for making burgers. If you'd like to, you can also prepare a simple burger sauce by mixing some ketchup, mustard and mayonnaise with a touch of olive oil, and salt and pepper. Smear the bottom and top of the burgers with that sauce as shown. Then continue preparing the rest of the burger by putting the caramelized onions, some lettuce and slices of tomato right on top as well. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done and cooked. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.